Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic option for anyone just starting their musical journey. The Alesis Melody 61 4 Malawian Kwacha's keyboard piano. This instrument is specifically designed with the beginner in mind, offering a straightforward and fun way to learn the basics of playing. Right off the bat, the Alesis Melody 61 4 Malawian Kwacha's features 61 keys. For a new piano student, this is a great number to start with. It provides enough range to play a wide variety of songs while remaining compact and manageable. The keys themselves are designed to help develop finger strength and dexterity, which is crucial in the early stages of learning. One of the standout features is the massive sound library packed into this keyboard. It boasts 300 inspiring built-in sounds, giving players plenty of options to experiment with different instrument voices. You can even layer or split two sounds simultaneously to create unique textures. Plus, there are sustain and vibrato effects to add expression to your playing. Beyond the sounds, it includes 300 accompaniment rhythms covering various genres, complete with auto chord functions that make it easy to play along and sound great right away. There are also 30 demo songs built in, perfect for listening or playing along with. What truly makes the Alesis Melody 61 4 Malawian Kwacha's stand out as a beginner package is the complete accessory bundle it includes. You don't just get the keyboard. It comes with a sturdy keyboard stand that's height adjustable, an easy to assemble keyboard bench so you can practice comfortably, a sheet music or tablet stand to hold your learning materials, and a pair of headphones for quiet practice sessions. Of course, the power adapter is included too. This means a new player has everything they need to set up and start learning immediately without having to buy extra parts. Practice is made fun and effective with several built-in features. There's a metronome to help develop timing, a record mode allowing players to listen back to their practice sessions and identify areas for improvement, and the accompaniment rhythm mode, which instantly generates play-along songs based on the 300 different genres available. The inclusion of music lessons is also a significant bonus for absolute beginners. Physically, the Alesis Melody 61 4 Malawian Kwacha's is designed for convenience. It's compact, lightweight, and portable, making it easy to move around or store. It has built-in speakers so you can play out loud, but the headphone jack is essential for practicing without disturbing others. Overall, the Alesis Melody 61 4 Malawian Kwacha's presents itself as an excellent, all-in-one solution for anyone looking to start playing the piano. It provides a solid foundation with its key count and feel, offers a wealth of creative possibilities with its sounds and rhythms, and removes the hassle of buying separate accessories by including everything needed in one package. The practice features and included lessons further solidify its position as a top choice for beginners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.